Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's the girl NSC, and today I'll be doing a medium knotless braid on my client. So the length is actually top butt length. So watch me work and watch me slay the style, guys. Please subscribe, like and share, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Guys, if you want to achieve the style, you need 4.5 packs of the Xpression braids, not the pre-stretch one. I do not use the pre-stretch braid because it gives me a longer ending with a slimmer look. So I like the not pre-stretch braids, and that's what I'm using in my client here. Number 2, the 84-inch ear. Now you guys can see that I'm at water in the end of the hair. So you know, sometimes you can find some excess flyaways on your braids, so this will help and prevent the excess flyaways to show on the braids. So that will eliminate the flyaways. And having the end of my braids looking sharp and beautiful. So I will just dry that out with my towel and keep dipping for a straighter end and repeating the steps when necessary. So now I'm taking my towel with a little bit of hot water to relax the remaining flyaway that remains on the top of the braid. Now you can see in the video I'm clipping away the excess flyaways that remain on the top of the braids. Now I'm gonna add my Zimii mousse to keep my hair welly and relaxed and looking good and smelling good as well, guys. And that's the finished look. Tell me if you like it down in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.